Do you know what your determination muscle is? Do you know how to make it stronger? Hello, I'm Clarence. I'm the preacher. I bet you didn't even know you had a determination muscle. But that's okay. That's what these little training videos are for, is to help us train spiritually so that we can be stronger and better Christians. And determination is one of the main factors. Now, I know a lot of folks don't even care about determination muscle, don't even want to hear a video like this, they don't even want to mess with it, because the victim mentality is prevalent in our society, and most people would rather sit around and play the victim and think that the world is doing them wrong and they're just this innocent little victim that's being done wrong by everyone and everything. In fact, Satan comes along and says things like, if God really loved you, He'd make your life easy and He'd lavish blessings on you and you wouldn't be having any troubles. And in this particular culture that we live in, people just eat that up. Well, developing your determination muscle, the first thing you have to do is just make a choice. That is it. It's kind of like willpower, isn't it? You make a choice and you refuse to be a victim. You refuse to be tossed about by life. You refuse just to roll through life and nothing special at all. That is a choice you make. Now, at the same time you're making that choice, if you really make it, then you're taking responsibility of your life, because you're the only one that can build your life. Look, if it is to be, it's up to me. No one is coming to build your life. If they were, wouldn't they have been here by now? Where are they at? There is no one coming. If you don't do it in your life, and that takes determination, then it's not happening. Now, I know that sounds a little bit harsh, but that is just the reality we live in. Life is hard. Expecting life to be easy is crazy. So you get in there and you put the work in, you put the mental work in, the emotional work in, the time in, and I hope that you would really focus in on the spiritual, because if you live this whole life and you have a great, wonderful life, but at the end of this life, you don't have a home in heaven, then you just wasted an entire lifetime of opportunities, because this is all about heaven. So what I would suggest to you is, once you have made the choice that you're going to be determined and you are going to own your life and be responsible, then a very good beginning point, if you haven't been here yet, is to start your spiritual training with daily Bible reading and prayer. Now, I know some folks just wig out at that and go, I can't do that. Look, if a person cannot get through the simple kindergarten training of daily Bible reading and prayer, I don't have any hope for them, because that's very fundamental of spiritual training. Hey, share this video with someone else that you think it might help. Together, we can make a difference. Check out the comments below. Share your comments. And as always, I hope you have a great day.